Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to create a pie on Trading 212. But before we start, make sure to use my link in the description to create an account on Trading 212 and to get to up to £100 for free. So make sure to create account. It's everything for free and you get a big bonus. So we just click on create pie over here, click on add instruments, and now you can just select the stock you want to add in the pie. So for example, I will add Amazon to my pie. Also I can click on the plus button and choose maybe Nvidia. Now click on this arrow right here, and now I can just make in percent how much should I invest and just click on next. Right now you can choose if you want to invest in manually or auto invest. So I will just choose manually for now and just select the amount you want to deposit and start with. So I will choose maybe 200 euros. Here I can name it. So for example, I don't know, 2 by I don't know, and just click on confirm. Click on OK, and that's it. This is how you can create your pie on Trading 212. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to use my link in the description, and bye.